Welcome to our AI Worksheet Generator, the ultimate tool for creating tailored worksheets for your class. Let's explore how you can enhance your teaching with this innovative solution. Step 1. Enter details. Input the subject, grade level, and learning objectives into the provided fields. Once you've provided the necessary details, click Generate. Watch as our AI works its magic to create a custom worksheet tailored to your specifications. Now, take a moment to review the generated content. If any adjustments are needed, use the text editor to customize the worksheet to perfection. Need further modifications? No worries. Enter your desired edits in the input box under the AI's response and click Regenerate. Once your worksheet is ready to go, simply export or copy it for immediate use in the classroom. Teach smarter. Use Help Me Teach.